Hey everyone, this is Darren with Crazy Minnow Studio. Welcome back one more time here. This is the fourth video, and I lied to you again. I told you I was going to go over this data analysis portion, and what I want to do is first go over how to apply a OneClick real quick, because that's what we're going to use for that data analysis. I am going to go ahead and load up this scene. No, I don't need to save that. I have a little DAZ model here, EmoteR guy, and we're going to go ahead and do a OneClick. Now, for OneClicks, you need to access those from the game object menu. They are not in the component menu. This is only for the core objects of SALSA, Eyes and EmoteR, and the add-ons. If you go over to the game object menu, you'll see Crazy Minnow Studio, SALSA LipSync, OneClicks, and if you have OneClicks installed, they will be listed here. If you don't, just like with our add-ons, you can click this Get New OneClicks, and it'll bring you to the download section to grab the OneClicks. So I'm going to go ahead and log into this, and we click Verify, and it logs us in. And then in here you'll find all of the add-ons and all of the OneClicks. So the first thing to know is you need to have this OneClick base. This is required for all OneClicks. This is primarily for SALSA and EmoteR, and you just need to have that installed. So make sure you install that, and some of these OneClicks have different requirements on this OneClick base, but it should all be backwards compatible, so if you get the latest version of the OneClick base, then it'll cover all of your bases. No pun intended. So we're going to get this, and also we're going to grab the DAZ because we're going to use that on EmoteR guy. Okay, let me go ahead and add our OneClick base in here. It's just one file. Go ahead and import. Okay, and that's going to deposit that right here under plugins. And then let me grab the DAZ OneClick. And this one has 3 files. And a couple of those will be down here in this plugins OneClick, and then also one in the editor. So it's super easy to apply these. We just select our root object. So we go up to Game Object, Crazy Minnow Studio, SALSA LipSync, OneClicks, and we see that we now have the DAZ OneClick installed. I go ahead and click that, and EmoteR guy is now set up. He's set up with SALSA, EmoteR, and Eyes. And if you do have it installed, the examples from the base pack, there's an audio file in here, promo mail, it will automatically apply that to your audio source. Remember, this is all configured now. All we have to do is hit play.
SALSA, simple automated
And
lip
there he
sync
goes.
approximation.
And
unique
you'll see
technology
that
behind
the
SALSA
eyes are
provides
moving
high-quality
around. We could
lip-sync
probably,
automation
oh, there goes the
for your
head.
2D and 3D
And
character models.
lip sync is
SALSA
moving.
processes audio
We
files
see
in
some
real time
emotes
with zero
happening
requirement for
with
pre-processing or
SALSA
shape mapping
linked
your audio.
emphasis.
Results are superior to basic jawbone animations.
So these emotes will be
and
based
eliminate
on
labor-intensive phoneme
this off.
mapping.
These emotes will be based on the amount of data analysis that's going on. So basically the amplitude analysis that is happening will drive the emotes that are configured on EmoteR. And we'll go over this in another video, but you can see that we have these 6 emotes in this one. I think most of them have 7. This EmoteR model didn't have some of the, like I think the one we're missing here is for the nose. And of course he doesn't have a nose, so he doesn't get that 7th one. And that's basically how you apply a OneClick. So now finally in the next video we are going to start going over the settings here, and that video will be data analysis. So when you watch the next video, we're going to start right here, promise. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.